Hi, I'm Josh. I work for Kapitol Group as a facade coordinator, reviewing all facade documents and making sure that facade runs smoothly. So the facade relates to basically the external envelope of a building. It can encompass many things from windows and glass, metal cladding, stone cladding, precast walls. So here at CMSA, we obviously have this striking facade element, which is coming off the slabs, it looks like. Some key considerations would have been the acoustic requirements, how the wind played in with the design. And obviously another key consideration is the engineering requirements of these outriggers coming back to the slab. So yeah, with quality, we're really looking at it with a magnifying glass these days. Previously, facade contractors thought it was done before, nothing's fallen over, so it must be right. So that whole mindset now has changed, and we go through quite a process to make sure that everything works with engineering calculations behind it. We actually engage third-party consultants and engineers as well as the in-house facade team. And what that does, that allows us to look at all areas independently and make sure that we're meeting structural requirements, acoustic requirements, and energy requirements, and just making sure that all elements that are used in facades are non-combustible, and it's verified by a third-party consultant. Some issues that we're finding is that trade documentation doesn't always align. How we're addressing this is by using CAD files, BIM software, overlaying them to see if there's any fouling or design issues. We're also finding that designs and specifications may not also be feasible, and we picked this up pretty early with the facade design vetting process, which allows us to get a working solution prior to the engagement of a subcontractor, which just saves a lot of time and money on site versus trying to solve those problems once we're on site. Where we could always improve is the little details, making things better even if not a necessity. The example being window subframes. Window subframes give us movement and tolerance on site, which always comes in handy. Another thing we can improve on is the creation and implementation of best design practice manuals and ITPs to reflect those manuals. And this basically ensures that all the hard work we do at the front end with the design team and estimating team carries across to the on-site delivery. At Kapitol, our visions are build the best buildings and do no harm. So when we're building facades, it's not all about the money. We want to make sure that everything's done right. We don't mind spending a bit of extra money to get third-party consultants and engineers in to build safe buildings. And the whole way through, we want to make sure that it's a safe procedure while doing so.